Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to verify your Facebook account, pretty much how to get this blue badge or blue tick on Facebook and Instagram. It's called the cover subscription for it is called the Meta subscription or Meta verification subscription. Elon Musk started this with Twitter, obviously, where you get to pay $8 per month for Twitter Blue. Then Twitter got rebranded to X, and even before it got rebranded, Mark Zuckerberg liked the idea, so he decided, you know what, we should also have like a verification badge for Meta, and that's pretty much where we are now. Now, if you are eligible for this feature or option, when you tap on this blue icon, it's going to tell you here to subscribe, right? But if you're not eligible yet, because Meta is still testing this with some accounts, if you're not eligible, over here it's going to say sign up to join our wait list. So again, if you are not eligible, it will ask you to sign up to join the wait list. But if you're eligible, you see the blue tick option here, pretty much. So I am eligible because I subscribed to the wait list a long time ago. Now I can click on subscribe to Meta Verified. I've clicked on it, and then it's going to tell me what it's about and all of that. You can read it. You get a verification badge, account protection, blah blah blah, and all of that. Also down here it says you need to submit a selfie video and a government issued ID, and need to cover some of your ID information and authorize us to process it. You have to be 18 years or older, so make sure you have like your ID and everything ready. So also, like I said, it's called the Meta subscription, and because it's the Meta subscription, you get to choose if you want to verify or have the blue badge on your Instagram and Facebook, or just your Facebook. In this case, I would like to do my Instagram and Facebook just for the sake of this test. And then it will say make sure that the profiles are the same, the name and the pictures on the profiles are the same, and of course an ID card. So this is what it's bringing up. Then I'm going to click on pay, and then it brings up a payment page, which for some weird reason is still loading. Here it basically explains what's going to happen next. Your Facebook is your primary profile. Next, we'll confirm your identity, which could take up to 48 hours. If we are unable to confirm your identity, we'll refund your payment. So going to first stop Facebook, clear the cache on the app, reopen it, click on the blue badge, click on subscribe to Meta Verified, click on next. You know what, let's just do Facebook alone first instead of Facebook and Instagram, and then if it works we can always do Instagram only later. Now it's popping up my payment method, which is my Google Play payment method. So I'm going to click on subscribe. Let's see if this is going to work. Yay, subscribed. So this works, and now it's loading. Now this is the rest of the confirmation part. See here, it's asking me to confirm my information. To get Meta verified, your profile name should match the name on your ID. This is going to be tricky, right? Because variations are allowed. Some variation of your first names are okay, like this, and this. So I'm going to confirm that. It's also asking me to confirm my profile picture. So I'm going to confirm that, and then submit. Now it's asking me what ID do I want to use to verify. I'm going to click on national ID. Hi, I know you are not expecting to see me. I wasn't planning on showing my face as well, but I want to make some things clear because by the time you're watching this video, my account would have already been verified because I would not post this video if it was not verified. And I want to kind of like explain the document part, the documents I used to verify it. So this is my NIN slip. That's the paper slip. I tried this. When you're doing the verification, it's going to ask you for front and back of your ID. It has the front here. This is the back. The back is blank. See, blank. So you can't really use this one for verification. If you have a physical copy of your ID, the digital NIN slip on a physical plastic ID card, whatever, this would work because it has a back and it has a front. And it should work. I did not use it. This is what I used. I used my passport. Now, if you don't have a passport, that's fine. You can try this, the digital NIN, no plastic. But don't use the paper one. This paper one doesn't work. Also, for my passport, this is funny. This is very funny, but I actually, this passport is expired. This is an expired passport. I used my expired passport to verify it and it worked. And it took like 1 hour. Like I just submitted it just when you're trying to verify it, instead of selecting national ID or driver's license, select passport. So I just submitted my passport and it was accepted. And this passport is expired, by the way, but it got accepted. So I think that if your profile picture on Facebook and Instagram matches, if you're trying to verify Facebook and Instagram, if the profile picture matches, and of course your account is legit, not some weird scammy account, and you use your name, kind of like your first name and last name, what is on your ID. If you provide it, then it will work. Doesn't matter if the ID you're using to verify is expired or not, it will still work. So that worked for me, and I think it's going to work for you as well because I'm not special. It's pretty much the same process. So that's it. That's the update I have for you guys. If you want more posts like this, don't forget to subscribe, and I will be sharing more tips like this. And if you have questions for me, please feel free to ask me. You can ask me anything in the comments. I'll see you around. Bye. Is in progress.